and welcome to this quick and informative video where I'll be showing you where to find your bank letter on myUWE and how to download it. So first of all, open up your browser and type in myUWE to the search bar, hitting enter. Click on the Login to UWE Bristol website and scroll down to find the myUWE login link, at which point you'll log in with your own UWE details and will come to me on the myUWE homepage, which looks like this screen here. Please note that this page will look a little different on different devices, such as phones or a tablet. We do recommend for your own ease that you use a PC or laptop when accessing myUWE. You can also use a computer on campus. We have them available for your use in the library and other study spaces. If you look to the top left of your web page, there are 4 tabs. Click on the far right tab labelled My Details to open up the drop-down menu. Find and select the one that says Documents at the bottom here. This should take you to a page like this, with links to any relevant documents you might need, such as your council tax certificate, status letter, bank letter, and HERE document. For a bank letter to be available for you on myUWE, you need to be eligible to register or have registered already on an award. Both your UK term time and international residential addresses must be on myUWE. If you need to update your international residential address or check if your course is eligible for a bank letter, please contact the information point. To view and download any of these documents, in this case we want our bank letter, we simply click this Download as PDF button. The PDF should open up as a new tab, or you'll find it in your Downloads folder depending on your computer. Please check that the details are correct. And if you're a study abroad or exchange student, there will be no download button. A standard student status letter, which is also available from the myUWE documents page, may be accepted by your chosen bank. If a student status letter is not available to you, then please see the myUWE guidance on the web or contact the information point who can investigate further for you. If you will be studying for less than 6 months, you may not be able to open a UK bank account, and you may wish to look into obtaining a prepaid cash card. This allows you to load money onto it and use it in a similar way to a debit card. Some cards may charge you and have a minimum or maximum limit, but further details around this can be found at www.moneyhelper.org.uk.